Hey guys, I got another unboxing video for you today. I just received my G-plus turbo intercooler for my BMW 135i. I'm gonna do my best to get it in the shot. It's kind of large. Here is how it was packaged. As you can see, it's a little bit... The box is a little beat up. We'll see what kind of condition the intercooler is actually. Like I said, this is a G-plus off Amazon. It was $216, free shipping, took 4 days. It supports up to 500 horsepower plus is what the ad claims. Well, let's get it opened up and I'll go over the rest of it. So it's got this cardboard, some more cardboard, and then so it's got the nice bag. This is G-plus. So this is supposed to be 6 inches tall here, 8 inches tall on the high side, and 5-inch core thickness. It's supposed to be a direct bolt-in replacement. No modification for the 135. A lot of people say that these Chinese ones compared to the VRSF will have a lot of stuff inside of them. I plan on washing this out, but as I look into the intercooler piping or the cores of it, you don't see anything. I don't know if you can tell. The welds are a little shoddy looking in some spots, and right here you can see that they didn't get painted. It's actually pretty heavy. The welds where it matters, where they need to be good, along the edges of the core here. I don't know if you could tell in the picture or in the camera, but they look okay, pretty decent, and it's actually a lot thicker of material. I was worried that the cheaper one was gonna come with really thin side tanks, I guess you'd call them, but they seem pretty thick, and this is supposed to be direct bolt-in. On my car, I know some, like the Z4 BMWs, you have to put a spacer below it. According to the website or Amazon, you're not supposed to put any spacers on the 135, which wouldn't be a big deal. And I know on some models you have to cut part of your plastic on the inside of your bumper cover. The bumper cover shouldn't have to be cut. So I guess the VRSF intercooler that is comparable costs $379 plus shipping and handling. The claims, I believe the VRSF claims the same 50% more air volume, which is the same as this one claims. They're pretty comparable, but this one's $200 less, and as far as I can tell, it's pretty good quality. I got it in 4 days, and I don't see any real worrisome areas or damage or anything like that. The other thing I thought about when getting this, I didn't get the super tall and thick one because the BMWs have a tendency to heat soak, and the radiators don't, I don't know. Some people say that they overheat if you push them too far. And so I think if you're going to put an intercooler in front of it, the more of it you cover, the more chance that your radiator's not going to work properly. So I think this is a good in-between model, especially for $216. I don't see anything here to complain about. We'll see once I put it in. I'm going to do another video on how to install it and do some data logging before I put it in and after I put it in to see what kind of AITs I end up with. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please subscribe.